Nvidia's stock price is soaring after reporting quarterly financial results. Why is that the case? What were the numbers in the earnings results that boosted the stock price so much higher? I'm going to talk about that in this video. I'm going to discuss why specifically Nvidia's stock price is soaring. So let's get right into it. So the quarter itself was a relatively pedestrian quarter. Nothing incredible from the results. In fact, revenue decreased in the quarter for Nvidia. But what was remarkable was the outlook, the forecast for the next quarter. So here I have what Nvidia talked about for the next quarter. So the outlook for the second quarter of fiscal 2024 is where I want to draw your attention to. Total revenue is expected to be $11 billion. That's a sequential increase. That's a steep increase in demand related to generative AI and large language models. If you're not already aware, AI is taking the world by storm, and one of the components you need to develop large language models are NVIDIA's GPUs. So NVIDIA stands to benefit from the momentum surrounding artificial intelligence, and they're starting to see it right now. Not in the results that were just completed in the January, February, March quarter, but in the results going forward, the orders, the demand going forward. So this demand has extended our data center visibility out a few quarters, and we have procured substantially higher supply for the second half of the year. So going forward for several quarters, they have strong visibility into what customer demand is. So what likely happened is they got orders from their customers saying, hey, we need more of your products. How much more can you get us in the next quarter, the one after that, the one after that? And so Nvidia felt extremely confident about the outlook for the next quarter and beyond. Not only that, but they expect their GAAP gross profit margin in the range of 68.6% to 70%. That's a huge increase. Now, I had highlighted earlier up here, GAAP gross profit margin was in the quarter that was just completed 64.6%. 64.6%. So it's increasing by 400 basis points on top of the fact that sales are increasing. That means that Nvidia is securing sales at higher prices at higher profit margins. So sales are not coming at the expense of lower margins, which so many companies tend to do is sacrifice profit margins so that they can deliver revenue growth to Wall Street. That's not the case for Nvidia going forward. They're saying that demand for its products soared, but not only that, they soared even though they were charging higher prices, and they're going to generate higher profit margins. So they're not coming at the expense of promotions, incentives, discounts, etc. They're coming just through organic demand for Nvidia's GPUs, fueled by this explosive growth in artificial intelligence. So that's why Nvidia's stock price is soaring by over 25% following its earnings announcement. It's not because of what happened during the quarter in terms of its sales and profits, but it's what Nvidia expects to happen over the next several quarters. That's why the stock price is exploding. It's what they expect to happen that's driving this increase in the stock price. That potential, the prospects for the near term are so much better than what Wall Street was expecting that it drove the stock price higher. All right. I hope that explains. If you had some questions on, what's going on, why is the stock price exploding, I hope that shed some light on it. But that's all I've got for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.